Hey, do you want to see a magic trick?
Magic trick.
Yeah.
But you better be showing me them hands all the time.
Yeah, alright. I'm gonna show you the hands. It's all focused on the hands. Right, see, what I want to do is I have a card here placed. So, let me give the deck of cards a shuffle. Alright, I'm gonna riffle down and you're gonna say stop anywhere, alright?
Mm-hmm. Stop.
Here, we'll take this card.
Mm-hmm.
One more time.
Stop.
Alright, we'll take this card.
Mm-hmm.
And we don't need the
Yeah.
deck anymore.
Exactly.
See, I have 3 cards you chose randomly, and I can say that you have picked the 2 jokers. See, here's one joker. Here's another joker.
Mm-hmm.
And the card that I placed was the King of Diamonds. Now here, the trick begins. Your job is to follow the King of Diamonds. Don't let the 2 jokers distract you. Alright? So,
Okay.
keep a close watch. If I put the King of Diamonds down, where's the King of Diamonds?
Middle.
It's in the middle? No, man. It's on the top. Alright. In the middle also is the King of Diamonds.
Got him.
Alright, so yeah, we'll do this easy. Here's the Joker. What should be the top card? What should be the top card if the Joker is below?
Mm-hmm.
What should be the top card? Do you know
Bruh.
the top card?
I'm looking.
Alright. It's another Joker. My friend, in the middle also, there's a Joker. Because the King of Diamonds was always at the bottom. So, let me do it again. Let me do it easy for you. If the King of Diamonds is in the bottom, what's the top card? You have to tell me what's the top card. Do you think it's a Joker? No, it's the King of Diamonds. In the middle too is the King of Diamonds. But the fact is that I never had any King of Diamonds because the 3 cards right here were all Jokers. But now I'm kidding. I have the Joker. I also have the King of Diamonds. Which card is this?
Hopefully it's a Joker.
No, man, it's the Seven of Clubs.
Man's got some good sleight of hand.
Thanks, man. Thanks. Appreciate that. Do you have any favorite card?
What?
Do you
Favorite
have?
card?
Yeah.
No.
Right. So we'll do this. I'm just gonna show you that all these are different. All right.
Okay.
All right. And.
Okay.
All right. So I'm gonna riffle through the cards like this, and you're gonna say stop anywhere. All right.
Okay. Stop.
Here. All right. We'll go with this card. All right. So
Alright.
So your card is the Ten of Spades. So
Okay.
I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna say this is near about in the middle. I'm gonna keep it in the middle-ish so that you can see. Ten of Spades is sticking right here. And what I'm gonna do is,
Okay.
I'm gonna just cut the deck and shove it. Alright, so do you believe in time traveling?
No.
Alright, so my friend, today I'm gonna make you believe that why you should believe in time traveling. Because you see, I'm gonna take the top card, the Four of Diamonds.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it down. As I can show you, the Four of Diamonds still returns to the top.
Okay.
Sorry, it's the Four of Clubs. Don't mind me, it's the Four of Clubs. So this time we're gonna do this. We're gonna take it and place it in the middle. So do you remember what card did you choose?
Yes.
The Ten of Spades, right?
Yes.
So it was in the middle of the deck, but the Four of Clubs happens to be on the top, and your Ten of Spades is right in the
Okay.
middle, just like traveling back in time. You wanna see a magic trick? Do you want to see a magic trick?
Okay.
All right, we'll do this. As I put the 10 of diamonds at the bottom, where is the 10 of diamonds?
What?
Where is the 10 of diamonds?
There. In your hand.
Here, here, here. No, it's not here. Right. What's the top card? This card. This card. What's this?
Yeah.
Well, it's a Joker. I'll show you. Card here is also Joker. Actually, right.
You change it.
10 of diamonds is here.
You change it. Change it.
No, no.
You did.
See. See.
It's impossible.
10 of diamonds is here. 10 of diamonds is right here. But if I want, I can make you show that these are all Jokers. But if I show you the Joker, I show you the 10 of diamonds and this card. This card was never the Joker. It was the 2 of clubs.
What the fuck? Okay.
That's magic.
You're good.
Thank you. Did you enjoy the magic trick?
What?
Did you enjoy the magic trick?
Yeah.
All right. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Want to see a magic trick?
Yeah.
I put the Jack of Spades in the bottom. Where's the Jack of Spades?
Wait, watch it.
Where's the Jack of Spades?
It's at the bottom.
No, it's the Joker. Right. So I have the Joker right here. I put it down. Which card is this?
Joker.
Oh, my friend, it's Jack of Spades. All right, I'll put the Jack of Spades in the bottom. What card's on the top?
Joker.
Oh man, it's the Jack of Spades. Okay, what's the middle card? Do you want to see a magic trick? Oh, you love to... Wait a minute. Wait.
Got him!
That's crazy.
Wait. See, the patterns out here.
Bro, stop flexing. You cool. No.
No, I'm...